Today, boys and girls, we're going to show you how to load and edit GPS directions onto your phone. First, we're going to start with the directions provided by Hot Rod. Each day has a web link. Press on the web link. It will load Google Maps. Once the map loads, touch the rectangle at the top of the screen shown here. This will let you edit the stops. Then each stop is shown. Scroll up to find the very first drop pin. Click on this rectangle shown here. Yes, sometimes it's a pain to press the right spot. It's hard for me sometimes too. I fat finger it also. If you were successful in your quest, you made it to the part that shows your location. So if you did, press your location and the map will recalculate to where you are, which is normally your hotel when you take off that morning. If you are far away, like I am right now, it will take a second for it to catch up on calculating. Now the map's all loaded, ready to go. Press the done that's above the map on the right hand corner, and then press the start on the bottom. The GPS starts the route and you can follow the directions as normal now. But what if you want to change stops? What if you're halfway through the day and you want to edit what you've already done? You don't want to backtrack. Now to edit stops, what you want to do is touch up the top again and scroll up. And this is where it's going to be a little tricky. It'll take a little practice to do it. You're going to have to touch the X's that are on the right hand side and delete the stops that you've already been to. Now you're only going to be able to delete them one at a time and let it load again. Then go back, touch the next X, and delete that one for however many stops you've already been to. But remember, the one on the top, you still want it to say your location. You don't want to delete the top one because you end up having to put it back. But you can delete as many stops as you've already been through and then click on done, and it will actually start the GPS with just the rest of the route. It won't make you go back to the end. Hopefully this helps. Like I say, some of the little points that it wants you to touch are pretty small and you may have to take several tries before you get it. The next thing I want to cover is the waypoints. When the GPS tells you that you have 1 mile to go to your destination, but you know you're not there, it's really the waypoints along the way, how they routed the map. And what you're going to do is press continue. When it gets there, you'll pop up and it'll say continue or done. You want to press the continue.
In a half mile, your destination will be on the right.
And I'll let you show you what happens here.
Your destination is on the right.
See, once you press continue, there you go.
Continue on US 220 alternate south for 3 miles.
Right to the next step. Hope this helps. And if you've got any better tricks, write them in the comments below. One thing I did want to add is how to load the maps with a QR code. You'll see it highlights a camera, puts a little yellow bar. You click on that and it'll load the map. Then you do the same thing as normal. Touch the top, edit, start your location. And of course it's going to find me all the way back here. And once I hit done, there you go. It's going to say start. That's all there is to it. How we end all of our videos. Thank you, Lord. Thank you for today.